So how do we create AI grammar corrector such as this, where you make mistakes in your grammar and this AI app is going to fix any grammar mistakes found? Let's get started. Let's build AI grammar corrector. AI grammar corrector. How do we start? First of all, as usual, we import Tkinter as TK. This is the graphical user interface that will display our work. And then from OpenAI, import OpenAI that we'll be using to display our correct grammar. Client. Create a client, which is our API key is going to be of OpenAI API key that is going to be a string. API key equal a string that we get from our OpenAI website. Now, let's create our function. Define our function fix. This is the one that will be fixing our insert text. If there's spelling mistakes, it's going to fix it. The text entered by user, text.get original text 1.0, then tk.end. Here the message will be sent to OpenAI. It's client.chat.completions .create. Here, this is where we create our model. So the model is going to be created here. Model is of GPT-4o-mini. Then put our message. The message is going to be square bracket dictionary. First of all, we're gonna have the lore, we're gonna have user, and then we're gonna have content. So here we have content, we have here user, and then here we have the lore. All right, so now let's see what kind of content are we going to put there. It's going to be of F string correct grammar. Put a space to the next line. This is where we put our text and end of quotation. So we put our text here, end of quotation mark. Right, quotation. Now this is how we delete the first message entered to free the space for the next input. It's gonna be, remember, 1.0, then tk end, tk.end. This is how we're gonna clear the output box, and of course then we display the correct text. It's gonna be out.insert tk.end. You trusted index 1, which is 0. So r.choices to index 0, which is going to be the first element entered, .message .content. It's going to be a message and content like this. Now let's create our display window. It's very important to care about indentation. So this is the root equal tk.tk, and this is the graphical user interface that will display our work. Then the root dot title, we set the title. Title is going to be a string. It's going to be AI Grammar Corrector. This is our text. And here, text display is going to be, text area is going to be tk dot text. It's gonna have the root and height equal 5. Now, what do? We pack the text pack. Now, let's set up the button. tk.button. Here it's gonna have the root, text itself equal string, fix grammar. We fix the grammar, and then we have command fix equal fix comma, and then we can set background for the button. Let's make it green, which is a string as well, green, then dot far the button. Now the display output for text area is gonna be out dot now equal tk dot text. We have the root and height as well, always equal to 5 here. And of course we can set the background color of text output for the correct grammar. We can set it to background to yellow. It says to yellow, and then of course as we do output dot pack and repeat the root. We're using the main loop that we keep repeating each time we enter a new text. Now let's run and see if it works. We are going to run and see if it works. Of course, let's see here. It's working. It works, but even though we type here, let's go and enjoy. Let's instead of writing enjoy this achievement, let's use y achievement. That's what I'm intending to do in a good way. First of all, before fixing, let's go and get our key first, API key, to make sure everything's gonna be all right. API key. Here is my API key. Put the API key here. Now run our program. All right. Let's we need let me see what is here. Let me copy it, run it first. It's working here. Copy back this message and let's run it, and voila. Let's go and enjoy this achievement in a good way. So you see, it works. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.